everyone, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan and today we're solving Leetcode 121, best time to buy and sell stock. Given a list of daily price of a given stock, find the maximum profits you can make by buying on one day and selling on a later day. For example, here's a list of prices. If you buy at price 1 and sell at price 6, your profit is 6 minus 1 or 5, the maximum possible profits you can achieve. Look easy for this list, right? But what if the given list have thousands of prices? Here's the cleanest, most optimal solution to find the max profit in just one pass through the list. We read each number. If it's smaller than the current minimum, update the current minimum to it. Otherwise, subtract it to the current minimum. If the result exceeds the current maximum profit, update the maximum profit to this difference. To implement this, we keep two variables, current minimum price and current maximum profit. Both get updated as we go through each price. Let's code it up. First, we set min price to infinity, so any price we see will be less than it initially. We set max profit at 0, no profit yet. Then for each price in the list, if it's less than our current min price, we update min price because this price is better to buy. Otherwise, if the price is bigger than the current min price, then subtract it to the current min price, and if the difference is bigger, update the current max profit accordingly. By the end of this loop, max profit holds the maximum possible profit. Look at the list on the left. Initially, min price is set to infinity and max profit is set to 0. Min price and max profit will be updated accordingly when we go through each price in the list. With price 7, it's smaller than infinity, then we update min price to 7. At price 1, it's much better than 7 current min price, so update min price to 1. The next day, the price is 5, which is larger than the current min price 1. So the profit is 4. Update the current max profit variable to 4. The next day, the price we encounter is 3, which is larger than the current min price 1. So we subtract it to the current min price to find the profit 2, which is not greater than the current max profit 4. So we keep 4. The next price is 6, which is greater than the current min price 1. Subtract the current min price to find the profit. 5 now is greater than the current max profit 4. So we update max profit to 5. The next day price is 4, which is greater than the current min price 1. So we subtract 1 from it to find the profit. 3 is not greater than the current max profit 5. So we just keep max profit as 5. No more price to read. By the end of this loop, max profit holds the maximum possible profits you can achieve with this list. Alright, it's time to submit our code. Boom! Accepted. And that's it. A simple, elegant solution to find the max profit. We only pass through the list once, so it's big orb and time complexity. We use only 2 variables, so it's orb 1 space complexity. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Leetcode problem walkthroughs like this. I'm Alan and this was Leetcode Simplified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.